Hey guys, it's Malcolm. So this is like the pre-launch of codingafter50.com. If you go there right now, it's like a one-line page that says, "Hello world from Malcolm." Um, Basically, this post is me like just putting, the journey of 1,000 miles starts with the first step. This is me just kind of putting that first step out there. Like, it's one of those things where, you learn by the doing of it, and I kind of have a clue as to what I want to do, but I need to be doing it. And I can't take that much time to do it because I've got a lot of stuff to get done this year, like a ton. The high level is I've got a C# algorithms course. I need to get my math up to pre-calculus, and then I need to re-enroll in my degree program. And there's a whole lot of steps there. So in the meantime, I've got Coding After 50, which the high level, elevator pitch is that this is a home for people over 50 who are either formerly developers and they got pulled out of it and they miss being able to actually produce useful work, and potentially for new people coming in. I don't know. Some people say I'm an amazing teacher. Some people say that I am incredibly boring. I don't know. Don't care. So I don't really have a whole lot. I will say that I'm just got the Unicorn Project. I don't know if I can see myself. So I just got this week, the Unicorn Project by Gene Kim. That's this hand. If you're like an Agile developer, like you actually like Agile because you come from the XP world, you're going to love this book. It's the Phoenix Project, but with like a developer twist. It's like back down in the woods, makes things work. I put my first highlight in today. See if I can find it. Yeah, here it is. There we go. I'm just going to read the highlight. It's not done until that customer can use what they've written. Long story short, if you're a developer and you're writing code, it's not done until it's in production working. Anything else is delusion. I'm so looking forward to this. This is going to be somewhat, just vlog for myself, somewhat launch of programming or Coding After 50, but it's intended to end up being a community. I'll tell you right now, I have never been diagnosed as manic depressive, but I act like one. So right now I'm in the middle of a manic phase, and I'm really kind of happy about that. And we'll see how this goes, but having that community of like-minded people. I work at home. I'm in my basement. This is my green screen behind me. I like the brick. I'm not a real big fan of the wood paneling that I've got behind me. I may play around with it and put some fun stuff out. To a certain extent, I just love technology and I love playing with it. I'm 55. My 56th birthday is in 2 weeks. Little less than. Actually, no, it's exactly 2 weeks. So, with that, I'm planning on. A few years ago, I did my 53rd year, which was from the beginning of 52 through the end of 53. And that covered my last year in Concord, California, and moving up to Pullman, Washington. Really, couldn't have been that long ago. Maybe it is. Anyway, so this is going to be my 56th year. And so I'm going to at least have some weekly updates as to what's going on, what projects am I working on, how are those things going, and I'd really like to hear from you. Like, you could be a 10-year-old wanting to learn how to code. I'm not going to be saying, I'm sorry, you're not over 50, pound sand. I don't expect 10-year-olds to care. But I'm not, just because it's coding after 50 doesn't mean I'm going to tell anybody to go away. However, if you are over 50, if you are a coder, if you used to be a coder, drop a line in the comments. I will ask you to kind of treat the comments as, like maybe your living room, maybe my living room. I have no idea what I'm doing with YouTube, and I'm excited to start. And I'll tell you more later. Next week I'll probably tell you what projects I've got working on. I may pull some stuff up on the screen and share it. At this moment, I'm barely able to make this thing work. So come along, have fun, and we'll talk next week. Like I said, drop a line in the comment. Please hit the like button. Please hit subscribe. I think I've got 7 subscribers right now, maybe 5. And I'm pretty sure that's all family. I may be able to double that number simply by begging family members to subscribe. Like I said, this is like a fun place for me to play. And if you'd like to come play with me, please do. One of the things I've got on my list coming up is what I'm calling solutions for the Rubik's Cube for 9-year-olds, basically using a very immature approach to solving the Rubik's Cube. I've taught both my daughters and a distant cousin how to use the Rubik's Cube. Weirdly, the Rubik's Cube solving the Rubik's Cube has got so many skills that go into solving the Rubik's Cube go into programming. So that should be fun. Anyway, that's all, family, and I will see you soon, definitely by next week. Bye.